So one of these cars is built to win, which is that one right there. Another one of these cars is torn apart and is broken. That one right there. One of these cars is really reliable. And then another one I added to my fleet. If you follow me already, you already know me as Adam BAP. But if you don't, my name is Chris and you're watching Adam BAP. Now, that over there is my daily driver. This right here is my Audi S4. And it got every bolt-on that you can think of under the hood. And trust me, it's built to win, not built to lose. And not only do I got every bolt-on under the engine, I got suspension, wheels, paint, exhaust, all that. But my favorite part about the car is these stickers on the background. So these right here are every car that thought they would win. Hint, they didn't. But, you know, if you want to be added to this window sticker, you can. But outside of my favorite part of this car, we're going to go ahead and jump to my project car, which is over there. This is my 1993 Civic DX. Now, I got the best chassis. This is the hatch version, by the way. And currently, it is not put together right now. Now, the only reason why it's not put together right now is you're gonna have to subscribe and figure that out in the future videos, hint, hint. But the purpose of this build, the whole purpose of this build is for you to make this car faster than my Audi. Now, if any of you guys out there end up beating my Audi, trust me, I'll be back, and this bad boy right here will come back and take the dub back. I promise you that. Now, enough talking about this project car of mine. We're gonna talk about the reliable one, which is the egg machine. It's called the Buick Encore. This thing get me to point A to point B. I get the AutoZone with this thing. Man, I get all over the town with this thing. You know how much gas this thing saves? I probably get like, what, 35 miles to a gallon in this thing? And it doesn't break down. This thing is 100% reliable. This is a 1.6 liter turbo, and it's the most reliable car that I have in my fleet. Did I not mention that this thing got a turbo in it? Let's pop the hood and look at it. Like I said, I'm pushing big power.
Stop the cap.
One downfall about this car is that I broke the tail light by accident, and this was supposed to be the family car, but since the family car is technically broken, I had to go ahead and upgrade and get me a better family car. That is a Porsche Macan S. By the way, this bad machine right here is for my wife right here. Honestly, if you want me to talk about it, this is twin turbo, got the cream interior. Man, this thing is cold-blooded. I told my wife that I'm not gonna modify it. She's on camera, so I can't modify it. But I plan on doing wheels, suspension. It got the twin turbo, so you already know I gotta put a tune on it. These pipes look big, but I'll promise you, we're probably gonna have to put an exhaust on this car as well. But that's my lineup. Yes, I know it's kind of crazy. So the whole point of Adam BAP is to show you that I build cars. Now, I'm not saying that I'm the best mechanic, but I'm just like you. I'm a YouTube mechanic. I am not the best, but they're gonna look nice, and I promise you they're gonna run the streets. I may mess up here and there, but who really cares? You wanna see my mistakes? Because we all mess up sometimes. That's the only way you can get better, in my opinion. But even though this is a 93 Civic, I picked it up from a barn and it looked like doodle. But since then, I done repainted it, refreshed it, new motor, new everything. My Audi, I blew the motor up in it once, then I replaced it, then I heavily modified it. So I don't know if my daily would be considered as my project car, my race car, or whatever the case is. But I got future plans for the Audi, I got future plans for the Buick, I got future plans for the Porsche, and I got future plans for the Honda. The Honda's about to be crazy. That's the only thing I really care about. And if you made it this far into this video, you might as well like, hit the bell, and support your boy. Just help me get my numbers up, because that's all I'm really looking for. I know you see race it, but I don't race. But I do break it, and I fix it, and I repeat it. Like I said, I don't race. But I do be comparing my car to other cars on the road. Don't get it mixed up, don't get it twisted. It is what it is. If you think you're faster than me, we can compare our cars in Mexico. But enough talking about these cars. It's cold outside, and I gotta get working on this Honda so I can get it back on the road. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.